Oh, this one is from your aunt.
Yeah.
It's pretty. I hope there's no snake here.
No, it's just...
There's no snake. Savvy, Daddy's scrolling. Look at Daddy, Savvy. Daddy's scrolling. Just the dirt because we're going to put back the... I mean, just the grass. Because we're going to put back the... Oh, there's a worm. But that's healthy. That means our yard love is healthy.
Yeah.
Later, love, are you going to mow?
Yeah. I should.
What's that?
Like a fruit or something.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Like a bean or something?
It's a heart-shaped lobe.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you help me put just put down there? Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Maybe that's a berries. So this is the plant that we're going to. We have two like this. Yeah, two like that. I know. So maybe because, yeah. This is for the corner. This one is just a cilantro. We'll plant that too. And all these. Okay. I need to start. Ooh. Going to plant that. I'll just cultivate it a little bit and I'll start to plant now. I'm just cultivating, returning some dirt. Then one is thank you, Robbie, for helping me.
You're welcome.
Hope they will grow.
Yeah.
And then it will become more beautiful than Gary's Linda's.
I don't know about that. They do a good job.
Yeah. Mm. There you go. So I estimate so that I will just keep on putting it there. My husband is tired now.
Enjoying the day.
Yeah. Happy Memorial Day. Love, what is Memorial Day?
It's to honor the veterans.
That's different from Veterans Day.
Well, yeah, better. It's similar, but it's kind of just about America in general. People barbecue,
Mm-mm.
have cookouts with family.
Okay. The good thing there is my thumb is not yet too big.
Yeah.
I can still dig a little bit. Okay, so this one, the flower of this love is so beautiful.
Oh.
You remember I have this one, last year they
Really?
just died because of it, the white flower love like gomamela, like looks like hibiscus.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. You will grow, okay? What if I separate them? Yeah, separate the two because you have two roots. Yeah, you have each roots. Yeah. Separate. Maybe just an 2 inch. Oh, thank you for my Aunt Mary for the gift. This is her wedding gift for us. So pretty. The globes. And now here. So this, according to Jennifer, this is Black-Eyed Susan. There's no man there. No?
No.
I keep on doing like this. But I have a short. There.
Yeah.
Looks like that's so far. Put you here.
Make sure it spreads out.
Yeah. Here, you're here. Here. As long as their roots are under the ground, love.
Mhm.
And it's up to them already how they will grow.
What's that?
And I'm going to separate you guys. Ooh. Really. This is too big. I might separate this one. Gary and Linda will be surprised why. What happened to our front yard? So I think at this moment, love, they don't need a lot of water because it keeps on raining. Then it will be sunny. So perfect.
Perfect.
Hope the rabbit won't eat them. But actually, according to Jennifer, these plants, love,
Yeah.
animals didn't like them.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder why.
So maybe it's not yummy for them. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. So now my husband is helping me to return the soil from the ground. Actually, I still have here, what you call this? Cilantro. You okay?
Been easy.
Are you hungry now? I will finish. There's a bee. There's a bee. This is our back porch. Look at my daisy. Pretty daisy. Ding. So I'm done. I planted already all the plants that Jennifer gave me. Then my husband do some spark today because it's a holiday today. So I have here some clothes from Jennifer. According to her, this is all new. She didn't wear it. So look at this. This is so beautiful. I like the color. It's pink. Wow, beautiful. And here are some more. Oh, like a blazer. Yeah. Like a blazer. And then, what's this? Looks like a dress too. Let me see. Oh, yeah, this is a dress too. That girl? Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I like the printing. And here are some more. What is this? Ah, okay. Like a blazer too. If you, yeah. Like a different blazer, color blazer. And this one? Oh yeah, a blazer too. It's a blessing because we are in both, we have both size. Our size are the same. Ooh, another dress. So I think no need to ask. Yeah. It's so cute. Oh, it's good actually. You can use this when I'm breastfeeding. Yeah, it's easy to. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this one looks. But this is cute. Yeah. Another dress. Yay! So thank you. And here in the kitchen, she also gave me these things in cans. sliced potatoes, smooth sliced carrots, applesauce, corn kernel. I don't know this one, Sloppy Joe original sauce. But, and then this one, fruit cocktail. So many. Yeah. Anyway,